happening right
Yo,
now?
help me out, dog. He's trying to bite my nuts.
Yes! Yes! I will kill you!
What have you done to my friend?
Try you what, you stupid bastard. Your friend is considered dead right then. For now, I'm going to turn you over to the stinking beast for you.
Now this is sequence that kill the eat legs and bodies. Looks like a taste of blood Kool-Aid. Tasty. So, guess what? Let's kill them. We can't do this to me now.
You did this to me! You fraud!
Alright, nobody move. I'm back in here and not afraid of useless. I am Donkey on the Edge. Nice to meet you again, Donkey. Not me again, but isn't you a mission of human rescue? Anyhow, I only rescued you.
Thanks, Shrek. Only one a perfect of a landing until it dies.
Oh no! Please! Don't eat me! No.
This is
We hit the field.
Hey, what the heck is going on here?
Squish him.
Yeah.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Game last well, let's eat. You're dead.
Whoa, too bad. I'm going to fire you.
We are